heated seat retention on Passat B6, B7, but B6 if it's a facelift version. If it's not facelift and you don't have this modified like this, from B7 to B6. So if you wanna have the heat retention on, so when you turn on the car, the seat heating to stay on, and then when you turn it off and you turn it back on, it will keep that setting. So what you wanna do, you go to Adaptation. That is in the Climatronic module, yeah, in Auto HVAC. That's where you go. Retention of driver seat heat level. And this one is active. Yours probably is inactive. You select in here, and you're gonna select on active, not active for 10 minutes. You want the active one, yeah? You select active, hit do it. It's already activated on this one, but I'm just gonna do for you to see. So yes, controller accepted the request. Okay, and you do the same for the passenger. Rotation of front passenger seat. You activate, hit do it. Yes. Okay, go back, and that's it. This is how you activate the settings. Remember, when you press seat heating, right? So now I'm gonna take off the ignition. You can see the ignition is on. Remove the key, right? It's off. Put the ignition back on, and it's back there. See? It just remembers it. That's it.